everyone. For today's activity, I chose to do chapter 8, activity 1, box number 2, and I did choose to do 6th grade, just because I think that they're ready to just pass this through. So they will be able to work with a partner, and each one of them will have cubes like this. So for instance, number 2, it has 2 of them, and then it says what's the perimeter. So they'll be able to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that's a perimeter. For the next one, it's 3, and they can go ahead and count again the sides. For this one, it says what is the perimeter of 5 squares placed end to end. So they'll be able to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that way they can start counting the sides. And they can do the rest of them with the little cubes so that they can understand better. And then now I'm just gonna read the questions. The first one says why you feel that this workstation is effective and efficient for your choosing grade level. Well, this workstation is effective and efficient for 6th grade because I believe that by this age they should already know how to get the perimeter, and this activity will just reinforce what they already knew. Number 2, how did you go about choosing ticks? How do they apply? And well, the ticks I shows the knowledge and skills. 1B, they will need to formulate a plan to determine a solution. 1C, because it will include real objects, and 1D because they will be communicating mathematical ideas and they will be using graphs. Number 3 says, how will this activity reinforce learning math? This activity will reinforce math because by this grade level they should already have an idea of how to find the perimeter. The next one is, how would this activity help increase self-confidence in your students? This activity will help increase self-confidence because they will be working in partners, and if they do not know how to work a problem out, they have their partner to rely on. The next one is this activity grade and age level appropriate? Was the vocabulary and directions easy to read and follow? I believe this activity is age and level appropriate because it is easy to read and follow. The next one, how will students check their answers for accuracy? The students will check their answers in the activity at the end so we can all as a class check it together. And the last one, how will you check for understanding? Like I said, by going over it as a class, that way they can ask questions. They can ask questions. Plus, at the end of the class, I will give them an exit ticket, just like this one, where they can put their name, date, question, and then they can circle 1. The first one is I understand. The second one is I understand a little, and then the third one says I do not understand. And then at last I will put my comment, like a teacher comment. That way I can know if they understood or not. So yeah, that's it for my final project. Thank you. Bye bye.